Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about something that every artist experience. Don't wait for inspiration. Create until inspiration find you. Many people think artists always feel inspired before they paint, but that is not true. Even experienced artists have days when they don't feel creative. They feel tired, confused or unsure. The difference is that they still pick up the brush and begin. Inspiration is wonderful, but it is not something we can control. Some days it comes easily, other days it doesn't come at all. If we only paint when we feel inspired, we will paint very little. But if we paint regularly, inspiration starts to appear while we are working. Think about a car. It is difficult to control when it is standing still. Once it starts moving, changing direction become easy. Painting is the same. The hardest part is simply starting. After a few brush strokes, your mind become calm, your hand become more confident, and ideas begin to flow. Don't worry about making a perfect painting every time. Not every painting has to be your best. Some paintings are only practice. Some teach us about color, some teach us about light, some teach us patience. Even a painting that doesn't turn out well has something valuable to teach us. Never compare your journey with someone else. Every artist learn at a different speed. Some grow quickly while others take more time. That is perfectly fine. The important thing is to keep moving forward. Small steps take every day are better than waiting for one perfect day. Nature also teaches this lesson. A river never stops because of a few rocks. It simply finds another way to keep flowing. As artists, we should do the same. If one painting doesn't work, begin another. If one idea failed, try a new one. Keep your brush moving. Remember, every artist you admire has painted many unsuccessful paintings. We only see their best work, not the hundred of practice painting behind it. Skill is built one brushstroke at a time. So the next time you feel like saying, I am not inspired today, just sit down, take out your paints, and begin. Paint a simple tree, a simple boat, a flower, or just a few colors wash. Don't wait for the perfect mood. Create first, and inspiration will join you. Let us make one promise to ourselves today. We will keep creating, keep learning, and keep enjoying the journey. Because every brushstroke brings us one step closer to becoming the artist we want to be. Thank you so much and happy painting.